Hi guys, welcome to. I'm gonna move the camera slightly. Welcome back to Minecraft Xbox. So this is episode 2 of my whole Let's Play. And I don't know what to do today. I think I'm gonna go cutting down some trees and exploring, as that's the title. So that's my mum coming in. Sorry guys, that was my nan coming in. Huh? I'm making a YouTube video. What? I'm making a YouTube video. I've got an account. Oh. And I've made one video. So, sorry, I was talking to my nan. Nan, Mum,
are you talking to someone?
I'm making a video.
Okay.
So, is that... Sorry, look at my mum. I look like a guy with a... I look like a guy with a pig face. I think I was here before. Oh, no, it wasn't. I thought it was. So, as I said, we are going to go exploring. But the thing is, I'm the best at losing my hand. Wait a minute. Sorry guys. We are going to some wood actually. So right now I'm going to go cutting some wood. I might just do chopping some trees down, going home and building a house. Yeah, see if we can do that this episode. Yeah, I'm gonna see. So, yeah, that's the thing I hate about commentaries. There's nothing much to talk about, basically. Just going on and crafting and building all day. It's basically a game with no words. If you're multiplayer, there's lots of words, but like, you only need 2 people in multiplayer and you're speaking to your death. Like, oh, I found a spider. Wait, no, I found a cave spawner. Oh, let's go there. Wait, no, I need some torches. I'm too scared to go in because I've got only 2 hearts left. And then it's like that. It's too much talking. Then I have to go back. Wait, now we lost the thing. Oh man. Well, let's go exploring again. Wait, I'm not going exploring again. Oh god. It's turning. It's alright.
Does it stop?
Yeah.
Penny.
Yeah. It only pains a little bit now. Just a little. Right, I'm back I've got a stack. I just need 4 more pieces of wood. Yeah, I think we can. Wait, no, let's build a bed. Okay. Okay, that might be that for today's video. Well, thanks for watching, goodbye.